Retrieval augmented generation or RAG. Basically, it's a technique that enhances the accuracy of language models by incorporating relevant information from external sources, and it does this by combining an information retrieval system with a language model. So imagine you have a friend who is an expert in answering questions, but their memory is not always up to date. So RAG would be like having a second friend who searches the internet for relevant information to help your expert friend provide the best answers. So basically, this RAG system has three main components. First is the collection of documents, which is also called corpus, then an input from the user, and then a similarity measure between the collection of documents and the user inputs. So using these steps, we can build a simple application based on RAG, whose Python codes we'll discuss today. So this is the Python code. So here this code is implementing a simple RAG. It demonstrates how to use an information retrieval method. In this case, the Jagged similarity is used to find the most relevant document from the collection of documents or the corpus of documents. So first we are using is the corpus of document, which is a list of short text documents such as leisure activity suggestion. So here you can give any other document text according to the application for which you want to make the RAG. Then the Jagged similarity function. Now this Jagged similarity function will calculate the Jagged similarity, that is a measure of similarity between two sets. So in this case, the query, which is the user input, and document from the corpus are converted to sets and compared. And the result is a value between 0 and 1 with higher values indicating greater similarity. Then we have return response function, which calculates the Jagged similarity between user's input and each document in the corpus. And it then returns the most similar document, that is the one with the highest similarity score from the corpus. Then comes the user prompt. Well, this is a question that the user can use as a guide for their response. Then the user input, that is the user's answer to the question. Then we have a return response, which is called with the user's input and the corpus of documents, returning the most similar document from the corpus. And the final output will be the document from the corpus that is most similar to that user's input, which can be used to create a more informative prompt for a language model. So in a real world scenario, this corpus of document would be a much larger collection of documents, and the information retrieval step would be performed using a more efficient method such as an inverted index to quickly find the most relevant documents. So by running this code in the Google Colab notebook, you can find the results. Thank you.